Hello, my dear Pallas Tech family, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to our exciting Claude Mastery Learning series. We'll explore Claude AI step by step, from the basics to advanced techniques that can transform the way you work and create. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, it's designed to help you excel in the world of AI. Learn, practice, and implement Claude effectively to boost your productivity and innovation. Get ready to learn something amazing. Let's learn, build, and master Claude AI. One lesson at a time. Join us on this journey. What if I told you that in the next 30 seconds, one AI tool could plan your entire vacation, explain quantum physics like you're 5 years old, and debug a piece of broken code, all without switching tabs? That tool is Claude, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how it works, and how to start using it today. This is video 1 of a 20-part series that takes you from complete beginner all the way to becoming a Claude certified architect. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a developer, this series is built for you. Let's start at the very beginning. Claude is made by a company called Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by former members of OpenAI, including Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei. What makes Anthropic different is their core focus: building AI that is safe, honest, and beneficial. They call their approach constitutional AI. Essentially, they train Claude to have a built-in set of values, not just capability. Now you might be thinking, isn't this just like ChatGPT or Gemini? Great question. And the short answer is no. Claude has a fundamentally different philosophy around honesty, safety, and how it follows instruction. Claude is designed to tell you when it doesn't know something, push back when it thinks you're wrong, and refuse tasks that could cause harm. Not because it's restricted, but because it genuinely has values built into how it thinks. Now, Claude isn't just one model. There's actually a family of models, each designed for different needs. Let me walk you through them. First, there's Claude Haiku. This is the fastest and most affordable model. It's perfect for simple tasks, quick answers, basic summarization, customer support chatbots where speed matters more than depth. Then there's Claude Sonnet. This is the sweet spot, the one most people use every day. It balances speed, cost, and intelligence beautifully. For the vast majority of tasks, Sonnet is your go-to model. And finally, Claude Opus. This is the most intelligent model in the family. It's slower and costs more, but when you need deep reasoning, complex analysis, or tackling genuinely hard problems, Opus is the one you want. Think of it like this: it's a triangle of speed, cost, and capability. Haiku wins on speed and cost. And for those who need maximum power, Opus wins on capability. Sonnet lives right in the middle, and that's why it's the most popular. Alright, let's actually get you set up. Head over to Claude.ai. You can create a free account with just your email address. No credit card needed to get started. Once you're in, you'll see a clean chat interface. Just type your question or task and press enter. That's it. Claude responds in seconds. Now, let's get hands-on and set up Claude AI together. Open your browser, type Claude.ai, and press enter. You'll be taken to the Claude welcome page, where you'll be prompted to create an account. You can register using your email address, or if you have a Gmail account, simply choose Continue with Google. Follow the on-screen instructions, and Claude will request permission to access basic information, such as your name and email address. Once you grant these permissions, you'll be guided through the onboarding process. Next, you'll be asked to review and accept Claude's terms of service and usage policy. Check the required box and click Create Account. After that, you'll see Claude's available subscription plans, Free, Pro, and Max. For this tutorial, we'll start with the free plan, which is more than enough to explore Claude's core capabilities. You'll then be asked to provide your name, which Claude will use to personalize your experience whenever you return. A few additional onboarding questions may appear to help Claude tailor the experience to your needs. Once completed, you'll arrive at the main Claude interface. Now for the exciting part. Let's ask Claude a practical question. Plan a 5-day trip to Japan for someone visiting for the first time. And there it goes. Within seconds, Claude begins analyzing the request. You'll notice that it may ask a few follow-up questions to better understand your preferences and generate more personalized recommendations. For this demonstration, we'll skip those clarifications and continue. Take a look at the bottom right corner of the chat window. Here, you'll see the AI model currently being used. In this case, Claude is using Sonnet, which is a model most users rely on for everyday tasks. If you click on the model selector, you'll also see other available models, such as Haiku and Opus. Depending on your requirements, whether you need speed, balanced performance, or advanced reasoning, you can choose the model that best fits your needs. As you can see, Claude has generated an impressive day-by-day itinerary, complete with recommended attractions, suggested timings, travel routes, and detailed guidance for each destination. What would normally take hours of research can be created in just a few moments. Isn't that amazing? I encourage you to try it yourself and experience firsthand how Claude can help you learn, plan, create, and solve problems more effectively. One of the most powerful features is called projects. You can see it in the left sidebar. A project lets you group related conversations together and give Claude a consistent set of instructions and knowledge files for that context. Claude has 3 plan tiers. The free plan gives you access to Sonnet with some daily limits, perfect for getting started. Pro gives you higher limits, access to all models, and extended thinking features. Team is for organizations needing shared workspaces. So what can Claude actually do? Let's go through the big categories. First, writing. Claude is exceptional at drafting emails, reports, and marketing copy. Second, coding. Claude can write code in virtually any programming language, review your existing code for bugs, and explain what a piece of code does. Third, analysis and research. Upload a PDF or a contract, Claude reads the whole thing. We are talking up to 200,000 tokens, that's roughly 150,000 words. Fourth, a vision. Claude can look at images, charts, diagrams, and screenshots. Show it a graph and ask what it means, or show it a photo and ask what's in it. Now let's be honest about the limitations too. Claude has a knowledge cutoff, so it won't know about very recent news unless you turn on the web search feature. By default, Claude doesn't remember your previous conversations. However, You can use projects to give it persistent context and enable the memory feature in settings. Claude also can't browse the internet in real time by default, though there is a web search toggle. And it can't take actions on its own unless you connect external tools. Alright, let's recap. Claude is made by Anthropic, a safety-focused AI company. It comes in 3 models: Haiku for speed, Sonnet for balance, and Opus for deep intelligence. You can use Claude through Claude.ai for free. It's incredibly capable at writing, coding, and vision, with honest solutions for its memory and real-time data limits. In the next video, we are doing an honest head-to-head comparison of Claude versus ChatGPT versus Gemini. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in video 2.